Color. Green. Where's the color green? Color green. Color green. Oh, look. Green. Next. Orange. Sige, oh, that's right. Let's remove. Next. Orange. 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 Sige po, ito. Hold mo like this. Yan. And then put. Oops, oh, careful lang. Oh, do not remove na. Next, red star. Red star. Oh, where's the red star? Look, red star. Ate. Ate right here, oh. Ate, look mo. Wait, I use the teacher. Look. Where is the red star? Oh, look. Red star. Hazen. Yan. Okay. Next. Color. Orange star. Orange. Orange star. Sige, it's okay na. Oh, do not move na. Next, color green star. Green, green, green. Oh, look mo yung star, oh. Where's the star? Yan. Look mo po yung pattern. Next, blue. Okay, very good. Next, another one. Blue. Oh, paano si color blue like this? Ate Hazen, hold it like this. Yan. Blue. Last one, blue star. Like this, again. Again, color blue star. Yan. There you go. Look mo po, blue, blue, blue. Come on, Hazen, look. Ay, tignan mo po. Ikaw po gumawa. Look mo po. Sige, go. Here. Here, color blue. Ay. Help. Say help, teacher. Look, oh, like this. Yan. Oh, see? Big square. Okay, high five, teacher. Hazen. Hazen, high five. High five, teacher. High five. Okay. Thank you. Next one, what is this? What is this? Kick the, what is this? Kick the what? Kick the, what is this? Ball. Kick the ball. Next. Right. Right. With, so we're holding a, which one? Right. With your pen. Pen what? Pencil and paper. Pencil and paper. Next. Text. How about this one? What is this? What is that? Look. Paano kayo look? Like this. Look. Look. Where is Hazen? Look. Look. Next one. What is that? What is this? Change clothes. Change clothes. Okay? What is this? Clothes. Okay, next one. Sing. Very good. How about this? Walk. Next. Pull. Pull the. What is this? Pull the chair. What is this? Pull. What is this? Chair. Pull the chair. Next.
Run.
Very good. Run. Drink. Brush your teeth. Brush teeth. Push. Push. Oh, very good. Call. Hello. Call. Hello. Carry. Next. Wipe. Very good. Sit. Throw. Throw. Wipe your mouth. Wipe. Next. Cut. Cut.
Jump.
Jump. Do you want to jump?
Sleepy.
Sleep.
Kick a butt.
Very good. Eat. And read. Read book. Okay, very good. Give teacher tip high five. Very good. Yay. Rating hands first. Let's do the numbers first. Go get the numbers. And look for it. Sige, go next one. Ate, next. Okay, the next number. Number.
Good job. Next, starfish.
Number are you? 3 or number 3? Next number.
Okay, good job. Dolphin. Okay, Dolphin.
6,
Okay, very
7, 8, and number 10. Very good. Next. Oopsie. Hexagon. Blue, color blue. Uh-oh, wrong. Again, do this one. Where is it? Oh, look mo, oh. Hexagon. Yan. Okay, next. Trapezoid. Last one. Clover. Okay, very good. High five. Good job. Let's walk. Come on, get coins. Get coins over there. Ate Hazel, look. Get ka ng coins. Coins.
properly.
Go, any color. Very good. Next one. Go ahead. Next.
Joey.
Good
Okay, done.
job.
Sit properly mo na tayo.
Insert.
Okay, I'll get
Oh, look mo.
Put it here. Put
Go, look. Happen.
Push.
Very good. Yellow. Napakasaya. Next color. Sige, go. Point, point. Faster. Look at your step. And what's that? Tail. Oh, come on, come on. Get ka na, coins. Get coins. Piggyback, piggyback.
Alex, what is this? It's a pan. Panda.
Ating
The face of the panda, yung face.
Okay. Stop. Stop. Stop here. Stop. Bouncing.
Okay, very good. Next one. Oh, yung body. Where's the body of the panda? Okay, next.
Okay, stop. You stop that.
Go.
Okay. You stop that.
You can do it. You can do it. Here.
Next, next, next.
Go.
Ate, go. Come on. Focus on her first.
Stop.
Okay, next. Very good. Next, the name of the panda.
Here.
Okay, next one. How about this one? What is this?
Get.
So,
You
what
put.
is this?
It's your work. Again. One more. Hold.
Very good. Oh, wait.
Again. Get.
Okay.
Here. Look
Where
at
is
your
the
work.
head?
Next. Get mo kay teacher. Get kay teacher.
Go. Put the head
Put it
where
here. Look put. Look at your work. Tumingin. Get.
yung body. Where's the body? Body.
Here. You put. Okay. Next one.
Okay.
One more. Get kay teacher.
Arm.
Put it here. You put. Look at your
Very
work.
good. Yung tail.
Ulit.
Tail.
Get.
Good job. Next.
You put it here. You put. Ethan. No. Get. Put it here. You put. Stop doing that.
Hat.
Next.
Very good. Next one.
And you put it here. You put. Stop. Stop.
What is this?
You put.
Dragon.
Okay. Next. Wait lang. Stop that. Hindi. Get the teacher. And put it here. Again. One more. Sit properly.
Your eyes.
Wait lang. Sit properly.
Eyes. Your eyes. And go. Go. Next. Go.
Sige, bounce mo muna.
Put that. Okay, yung wings na. The red wings. Okay. Go muna. Next
Hindi
one.
tataas yung paa.
Green.
Mag-bounce. Hindi tataas ang paa. Hindi pa. Next.
Tail. Tail.
Get the teacher. You get it. Get.
Okay.
Ethan. Get. Four. Next.
Okay, good job.
Get.
A dragonfly. Very good. And my teacher.
Okay. Hold. Hindi gagana ng kamay. Hindi to hold it. Get mo kay teacher. Put it here. You put. Okay, next.
Come on.
Get mo kay teacher. Get kay teacher.
Okay.
Then you
High five.
put. Oops. Again, one more.
High five.
Get. Last one. Hindi.
Go get one.
One.
Butterfly.
Anong gagawin?
You look. Tumingin. May ginagawa. Ba't nakatingin sa work? Push. Last one. Kita. Get mo. Put it here. You put. Tumingin. Again. Kita. Tumingin. tumingin.
Next one.
Look at your work. Okay, let's try this one again.
Rectangle. Go on the top.
Try this one again next time, okay?
Next. Hexagon.
Inaapin nyo. Inaapin nyo naman ito eh. Inaapin nyo.
Triangle. Cloud. Oopsie. Put here. Triangle. Okay, next one, cards. Square. Diamond.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Nakangiti. Nakangiti. Bakit? Are you happy? If you're happy and you... Uy! Sit down. Ayan, stand. Okay. Stand. Chick, 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 chick. What is that? Chick, 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 chick. You stand. You stand. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Chick, chick. If I study hard for my math test, I will
try to jump again. Come on, ate.
Oh, next.
Let's try. Step more, step. Jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go, 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 go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Oh, 1, then 1, 1, 8. Here, 1.
Wait.
3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go next. 9, 10. See, it's okay. It's not that hard. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. 5. Jump, wait, teacher. Sit down tayo. Yay! Bouncy! Go, go, go! It's okay, magbabounce lang tayo, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good job. Okay, pumunta si teacher, high five. High five, teacher. High five. Wait for teacher, come on here.